Hello again, this is Mike from your favorite Toy Train YouTube channel, and I have an exciting announcement for all of you regular viewers. Channel memberships. Now that the channel has 12,000 subscribers, thank you very much, and several thousand more regular viewers, it has come to my attention through your comments that some of you would like to have a more in-depth and comprehensive Toy Train tips and tricks experience. And for those folks, for those of you, that's what these memberships are for. So we're meeting that need. Don't worry, if you don't become a member, you will still have access to all of the Toy Train tips and tricks and what's new in O-Gauge content that you've grown accustomed to free of charge. But if you want to get the full experience, the behind-the-scenes special access members-only shout-outs, messages, and exclusive video content, there are 2 levels of membership available starting now. Members at the classic level will have access to exclusive members-only videos on such topics as what's happening with the layout, what kinds of things have I bought lately for the layout, sneak peeks of upcoming videos, and some projects that are useful but too small to be included in one of our full-length videos. Plus, exclusive photos, status updates, and shout-outs on the community page for members only. And all of this will be available for $5.99 per month. And don't worry, if it's not your cup of tea, you can cancel at any time. Or you can support the channel through a Scout level membership. Scout level members will receive priority responses to comments on the channel, plus loyalty badges and special emojis to use in comments and chats. Oh, and those are also included in the classic level as well. Scout level memberships begin at only $1.99 a month, and again, you can cancel at any time. So if you can't get enough of Toy Train tips and tricks and what's new in O-Gauge, start your membership today by clicking the link in this corner of the video, if it's there, or go to the description part of this video and click on the link there. And whether you sign up for membership or not, your continued viewership and support is greatly appreciated. I sincerely thank you for helping me help you keep the trains running.